Hi, I am Aditya.
I'm Joel,
This is Tarun,
I'm Ashik,
student of DesignBoat.
student of DesignBoat.
student of DesignBoat.
And I'm a student of DesignBoat. I always used to wonder how human brain actually works. Like why do I choose Zomato over any other app, or why do I tap any particular button over any other button? I had no idea that's where the UX design actually starts.
None of us came from same background. Some were marketers, some were engineers, some were arts. And myself come from engineering background. But week by week I started feeling I was in the right place. Somehow we all just clicked.
I thought design would be the solo thing, but no, it turns out it's all about the people. We did UX design in a team. We went for user research. There we learned so many things. We got to know that how to listen and how to work in a team.
Wireframes, user flows, and card sorting. I was overwhelmed in the beginning, but our mentors were there guiding us one-on-one sessions and giving us honest feedback.
And AI being everywhere, I was super confused that if AI is going to take over our work. But in this course, they taught us to use AI as a friend, not as a threat. And in the class, they taught us tools which were super helpful and very fun to use.
In these 18 weeks, more than tools and screens, they taught how to think as a designer,
How to design for people.
how to be okay with not knowing all the answers, but still showing up and figuring it out.
Today is the last day at DesignBoat, and it honestly feels like yesterday I was trying to figure out how Figma works. I'm gonna miss this place. Thank you, DesignBoat.
Thank you, DesignBoat.
Thank you, DesignBoat.
Thank you, DesignBoat.